A video has surfaced of Ursula Ní Shionnáin, the woman convicted of firearms possession and subsequently appointed by presidential candidate Catherine Connolly in 2018, staging a mock execution of Queen Elizabeth II. In the video seen by the Irish Independent, Ní Shionnáin, an Irish language activist who is a member of the socialist Republican group Beheading, can be seen reading a speech which declares British royalty is not welcome in Ireland and that the age of imperialism and inherited privilege is over. The group then proceeds to place an effigy of Queen Elizabeth under a guillotine before beheading it. Miss Ní Shionnáin can be heard saying, "Off with her head." She was arrested in 2012 by armed Gardaí alongside 3 others outside the house of a weapons dealer while wearing a wig and a disguise. 2 years later, she was sentenced to 6 years in prison by the Special Criminal Court for unlawful possession of firearms and possession of ammunition. She was let out in 2018 after 4.5 years and was appointed later that year by Catherine Connolly to her administrative staff while she was operating on an Irish language Oireachtas committee. However, resulting from her prior conviction, Miss Ní Shionnáin was refused permission to take up the role inside National Parliament buildings. It is also understood that Miss Connolly objected to the decision and sought to overturn it, but to no avail. Miss Ní Shionnáin is well educated, possessing a PhD from University College Cork in the area of Irish language development and a Master's in language planning from the University of Galway. A search of Miss Ní Shionnáin's social media throws up examples of her political activism to date, consisting primarily of Irish language promotion and teaching, pro-Palestine fundraising and anti-British messaging, as well as posted images of historical figures such as Bobby Sands and Fidel Castro, with overlays of Republican anti-imperialist quotes. Her posts also demonstrate an affinity with independent politicians, namely Claire Daly, Mick Wallace and Luke Ming Flanagan. A Facebook post by Republican group Erigi containing a photo of her at a protest on behalf of the 1981 hunger strikers described her as a political prisoner while in jail. The Irish Independent contacted Miss Ní Shionnáin for comment. For more, read the Irish Independent.